Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If your Wi-Fi signal doesn't reach every room, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to install and configure the Netgear EX6410 AC1900 Wi-Fi extender using the manual web browser setup method. Follow each step carefully as we connect the extender to your existing router and optimize its placement for the best wireless performance. Let's get your Wi-Fi running stronger in just a few minutes. By the end of this guide, your extender will be ready to provide stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi throughout your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the Netgear EX6410 into a wall outlet that is close to your Wi-Fi router. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid green. If your extender has an access point/extender mode switch, make sure it is set to extender mode. During the initial setup, always place the extender in the same room as your router. You can move it later after the setup is complete. On your phone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the network named Netgear_EXT. Once connected, open any web browser. Launch a web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type www.mywifixt.net or 192.168.1.250, then press Enter. The Netgear Genie Smart Setup page will appear. If the setup page doesn't open, check that your device is still connected to Netgear_EXT Wi-Fi and not your router. On the welcome screen, click New Extender Setup. Create a username and password for the extender. This is not your Wi-Fi password. Select your country or region, then click Next. The extender will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. When the list appears, select your main home Wi-Fi network, SSID. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password correctly. Click Next to continue. The extender will suggest a new name, SSID, for your extended Wi-Fi. If your main Wi-Fi is home Wi-Fi, the extended one may be home Wi-Fi_EXT. You can keep the suggested name or change it as you prefer. Click Next to apply settings. The extender will now save and reboot. This takes about 60 seconds. Once rebooted, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings again. Connect to your new extended network, e.g., home Wi-Fi_EXT. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router if prompted. After connecting, go back to your browser. You'll see a confirmation message that setup is complete. Click Finish or Continue. Unplug the extender and move it to a midway point between your router and the area where Wi-Fi is weak. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.